Chapter 7 of Aldous Huxley's Brave New World plunges Bernard Marx and Lenina Crown into the raw, unmediated reality of life on the savage reservation, a stark contrast to their sterile, controlled existence in London. Their visit to the Indian village of Malpais uncovers the natural processes of aging, birth, and death, aspects of human life that have been eradicated in their society through scientific manipulation and societal control. Upon their arrival, a sense of disillusionment quickly settles over Lenina as she realizes she has left her soma behind, stripping her of the possibility to escape the harsh realities of the reservation through drug-induced happiness. The cultural shock deepens as she observes the natural occurrences that are deemed obsolete and disturbing in her world. An elderly man visibly aged and decayed by time, women breastfeeding their children, and the communal expressions of faith and suffering. The culmination of their initial experiences in Malpais is a ritualistic dance that fuses Christian and Indian elements, culminating in a violent act of self-sacrifice as a young man is whipped by a coyote-masked shaman until he collapses. This ceremony, intended to ensure the prosperity of the community by bringing rain and a good harvest, is emblematic of the intertwining of pain, religion, and life cycles, concepts that are alien and repellent to Lenina. In the midst of these revelations, Bernard and Lenina encounter John, a young man who is physically distinctive with his straw-colored hair and blue eyes, and culturally distinct through his use of Shakespearean language. John's existence is a curiosity. He is at once part of the savage world and entirely separate from it. His revelation that he is the son of a woman from the other place, and his declaration that a man named Tomakin, a thinly veiled reference to Thomas, the director of hatcheries and conditioning, Bernard's boss, is his father, adds layers of intrigue and connection between the two disparate worlds. John introduces Bernard and Lenina to his mother, Linda, a woman from their world who became stranded on the reservation. Linda's story is one of displacement and degradation. Once a member of the civilized world, she has been reduced to an outcast status on the reservation, illustrating the stark disparity in values and lifestyle. Through Linda's narrative, Huxley expertly explores themes of belonging, ostracization, and the arbitrary nature of societal norms. This encounter and the experiences in Malpais offer a poignant critique of the New World's foundation of civilization is sterilization. The chapter serves as a pivotal moment in the novel, juxtaposing the controlled, immutable society from which Bernard and Lenina come with the chaotic, natural, and deeply human life on the reservation. It sets the stage for the deepening of the novel's exploration of freedom, control, and the essence of humanity through the introduction of John, who embodies the conflict between these two worlds and will become central to the unfolding narrative. That's all for today. If you like this video, please let me know by pressing the like button or leaving a comment down below.